Mm. So this is the new project. Uh, our newest acquisition. We're going to be making some mods to it, bringing this thing up to snuff. It's in really good shape body-wise. We got its surface rust. Previous owner did a lot of work to it. We got Arizona doors on it, no rust. Box is good and modified. A few things we have to do. Gotta find some new tires because those ones are cracked. Yeah. Anyway, um, changes we're gonna make. We're gonna bring this back bumper back in closer because the box is shortened. So we're gonna bring that in. We're gonna put a roll bar system in the back of it. Hopefully, put a cage inside of it, and then we're going to eventually, if all goes well, lots of plans for it. We want to go 4-link system and get ourselves a nice big winch up front here. One that'll go into a receiver in the back. We got a new receiver to change out the old one. Right now she needs a carburetor. She kind of came missing that, so we'll be getting that. She's a 350 small block 4-bolt main, kind of race ready. Looks a little rough now, but she runs good. I've heard it running and everything. Perfect compression in every cylinder, and yeah, she's ready to rock for sure. Guy was just using it for hauling some wood out of the bush. So when we're done with her, we're hoping it's got destinations planned and a bunch of other stuff to do to it. So hoping for the best. To be playing on the truck today. Weather's not the best out, so we've made a little tent. We're going to try to get the carburetor in it and see if she'll fire up. So here she goes. Alright, let's see what we got here, guys. One thing I like about these things, you can climb in with the motor. Beats today's new cars, that's for sure. that's another. That's nice. So we ran into some technical difficulties. Apparently, I'm needing a spacer to get all this to jive together. I'm not a professional at this, so I'm just muddling through it. Apparently, I need a Mr. Gasket spacer. It's 1/2 inch and longer studs, and things will bolt together. I think I'm missing a few other parts here too, so I'm gonna have to take some pictures and ask questions. Anyways, for now, I'm gonna have to put her on pause, go get some parts, and I'll try to show you putting it back together. Went and got some more parts. Hopefully we got the right things we need. So we're back at it. I'm gonna see if we can't get this thing running. Hey, sorry guys. The dummy running the camera hit the wrong button and turned off the audio here. Oh yeah, that's me. Anyway, just this part shows you that we actually got it to fire up, and it did run. I'm going to include a little clip at the very end from a cell phone that actually shows you it running with the audio. Sorry about the oops, but hope you enjoy, and we did get it running.